Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explain here alcohols, phenols and ethers. What is the alcohols? Alcohol is organic compounds. Alcohols are organic compounds. The molecule contain hydroxy group means OH. Hydroxy group OH attached to a saturated carbon atom. Saturated carbon atom means carbon-carbon single bond. This hydroxyl group is attached to carbon-carbon single bond means sp3 hybridized carbon atom. sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Then, for example, CH3, CH2, OH. It's ethyl alcohol. Then CH3, OH. It's methyl alcohol. Then CH3, CH2, CH2OH. It's N-propyl alcohol. Then next, phenols. Phenols and aromatic alcohols. Then phenols contain hydroxyl groups directly attached to the carbon atom of benzene ring. Means in the phenol, the hydroxyl group, this hydroxyl group is directly attached to the aromatic ring. See, this is the benzene. It's a benzene and this hydroxyl group is attached to directly aromatic ring. Means this is the phenol. Then aromatic alcohols. The difference between phenols and aromatic alcohol. The aromatic alcohols when hydroxyl group is present in the side chain of aromatic ring. Means this is the aromatic ring. It's a phenol and aromatic alcohols. The hydroxyl group is attached to means when hydroxyl group is present in the side chain of aromatic ring means this is the side chain of aromatic ring. This is the aromatic ring and it's a side chain of aromatic ring means CH2OH. It's aromatic alcohols and it's phenol. This is also phenol and this is also phenol. Then next, ether, which contain an oxygen atom bonded to two alkyl groups or two aryl groups or one alkyl or one aryl groups. Organic oxides anhydride of alcohol. It is also known as organic oxide or anhydride of alcohol. Means what is the ether? Ether means which contain an oxygen atom bonded to two alkyl groups. For example, one alkyl group and second alkyl group. This O oxygen atom is bonded to two alkyl groups or two aryl groups or one alkyl groups or one aryl group. For example, CH3O CH3 dimethyl ether means this is the methyl group. Two methyl group. Dimethyl ether, then CH3O AR means any aromatic ring. For example, it's a benzene ring. It's a anisole. Then it's a aromatic alcohol means which contain ethers. What is the meaning of ether? Ether which contain an oxygen atom bonded to two alkyl groups. Two alkyl groups or two aryl groups. Two aryl groups or one alkyl group or one aryl group. Or this is also known as organic oxides anhydride of alcohol. Then these are also cyclic ethers. Ethylene oxide and 1,2-epoxy ethane. It is also ether. Cyclic ethers. The next point, classification of alcohol. First, monohydric alcohols. Then second, dihydric alcohols, trihydric alcohols and polyhydric alcohols. For example, monohydric alcohols. Ethyl alcohol. What is the meaning of monohydric alcohols? Mono means one. Hydric means hydroxyl group. Means only one hydroxyl group is present. Then dihydric alcohol means two hydroxyl group present. Means ethylene glycol. It is also known as ethylene glycol or ethane 1,2-diol. Dihydric alcohol. This is monohydric alcohol, ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol is ethylene glycol or its a common name and its IUPAC nomenclature. Ethane 1,2-diol means 2 hydroxyl groups are present. It is therefore it is known as dihydric alcohols. Means then next trihydric alcohols means 3 hydroxyl groups are present. Name of this alcohol: propylene glycerol. Propylene glycerol. This is a trihydric alcohols means 3 hydroxyl groups are present. For example, propylene glycerol. Next point is classification of monohydric alcohols. Means only one hydroxyl group is present. Alcohols contain first alcohols contain sp3c hydroxyl bond. Means hydroxyl group attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom of alkyl groups. Means first classification of monohydric alcohols. In that first alcohols contain sp3c hydroxyl bond. In that first hydroxyl group attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom means this is sp3 hybridized carbon atom means carbon carbon single bond, therefore hybridization sp3. This is also sp3 hybridization. This is also sp3 hybridization. Means in that first primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. Why this is called as primary alcohol? Because this hydroxyl group is attached to primary carbon atom. This hydroxyl group is attached to secondary carbon atom. This is secondary carbon atom, and this hydroxyl group is attached to tertiary carbon atom. Therefore, this is known as tertiary alcohol. This is primary alcohol. Means why this is called as primary alcohol? Because why this is called as primary carbon atom? Because this carbon atom is attached to other only one carbon atom. For example, C, H, H and OH. Means this carbon atom is attached to only one carbon atom. Therefore, this is called as primary carbon atom. And this hydroxyl group is attached to this primary carbon atom. Therefore, it's a primary alcohol. Then, it's secondary carbon atom. Why this is secondary carbon atom? Because this carbon atom is attached to other 2 carbon atoms, 1 and 2. For example, CH3, this hydrogen and OH. Means this carbon atom is attached to other 2 carbon atom. Therefore, it's secondary carbon atom, and secondary carbon hydroxyl group is attached to secondary carbon atom. Therefore, it's called as secondary alcohol. Then next, tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol means the hydroxyl group is attached to tertiary carbon atom, and tertiary carbon atom means CH3, C, CH3 and CH3. It's a tertiary butyl alcohol and tertiary carbon atom because this carbon atom is attached to other 1, 2, 3 carbon atom. Therefore, it is called as tertiary carbon atom. In monohydric alcohols, in that second, allylic alcohols means hydroxyl group attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom which is further bonded to carbon-carbon double bond. It may be primary, secondary or tertiary. This allylic means this sp3 hybridized carbon atom is attached to carbon-carbon double bond. It is known as allylic alcohols. It may be primary, secondary or tertiary. You already knows that what is the primary carbon atom, what is the secondary carbon atom and what is the tertiary carbon atom. Allylic alcohols means this CH2 means sp3 hybridized carbon atom is attached to carbon-carbon double bond. Then next, alcohols contain sp2 carbon and hydroxyl OH bonds. Means hydroxyl group attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom which is part of carbon-carbon double bond. It's a phenylic alcohol. Phenylic alcohol. This hydroxyl group is attached to carbon-carbon double bond. Means sp2 hybridized carbon atom. It is known as phenylic alcohol. Then next point, classification of phenols. Classification of phenols. Monohydric phenols, dihydric phenols and trihydric phenols. monohydric, one hydroxyl group, two hydroxyl groups, and 1, 2, and 3 hydroxyl groups. Therefore, it is known as trihydric phenols, dihydric phenols, and monohydric phenols. Then next, classification of ethers. Classification of ether, in that first, symmetrical ethers. It is also known as simple ethers. Symmetrical ether means two alkyl or aryl groups are same attached to O, oxygen. For example, CH3O, CH3 means it's symmetrical alcohol. Then AROAR means two same alkyl or aryl groups are attached to oxygen atom. Therefore, it is known as symmetrical ethers or simple ethers. C2H5O, C2H5. It is also symmetrical ether. Or CH3, CH2, CH2O, then C3H7. It is also symmetrical ether, means two alkyl groups or two aryl groups are same. Therefore, it is known as symmetrical ether. Then unsymmetrical ether or mixed ether, two alkyl groups or two aryl groups are different. For example, CH3O, C2H5 means this two means this is ethyl group and this is the methyl group. Twos are different, and this AR means aromatic rings also different. This is therefore it is known as unsymmetrical ethers. Then next point, nomenclature of alcohols, phenols, and ether. In that first, alcohols, common or trivial names. This obtained by adding word alcohol after name of alkyl groups attached to or bonded to OH. Then names of higher alkyl group includes prefix normal, iso, secondary, and tertiary. See the examples. Structural formula, common or trivial name. CH3OH, methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol means first alkyl groups and second alcohol. Then this is CH3CH2OH, ethyl alcohol means two carbon atoms are present. Ethyl alcohol. Then here three carbon atoms are present. CH3, CH2, CH2 and OH. N-propyl alcohol. Then next CH3, CH2, CH, CH3. Secondary butyl alcohol means this hydroxyl group is attached to secondary carbon atom of butyl group. Therefore, it's known as secondary butyl alcohol. Then next, isobutyl alcohol. It's a isobutyl group, and this hydroxyl group is attached to this carbon atom. Therefore, it is known as isobutyl alcohol. Then tertiary butyl alcohol. Hydroxyl group is attached to tertiary carbon atom, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atom present. Therefore, it is known as a butyl group. Tertiary butyl alcohol. Then next, ethylene glycol. 1 and 2. Therefore, it is known as ethylene group. It is ethylene groups, and glycol means two hydroxyl groups are present. Then next, propyl glycerol. 1, 2, 3 means it's the propyl group means it is a propylene group. 3 hydroxyl groups are present. Propylene, glycerol. Then crotonyl alcohol. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atom present, and carbon-carbon double bond is also present. Therefore, it is known as crotonyl alcohol. This is the common name system of alcohol. In the nomenclature of alcohols, first common name system, then second carbinol system. In this system, alcohols are considered as derivatives of methyl alcohol, which is called as carbinol carbon. It's a carbinol carbon. The alkyl group is attached to the carbon carrying hydroxyl group are named in alphabetical order. The suffix carbinol is added. For example, it's a methyl group and this is the carbinol carbon. Therefore, methyl carbinol. It's the second system of nomenclature of alcohol, carbinol system. Then third, IUPAC system. cyclobutanol, 2-ethyl cyclopentanol. Why this is called as cyclobutanol? Because cyclic ring present. 1, 2, 3 and 4 carbon atoms are present. Therefore, cyclobutanol, 4 carbon atom, butane and hydroxyl group is also present. Therefore, cyclobutanol. Then 2-ethyl cyclopentanol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means this is the pentane. Means 5 carbon atoms. 2-ethyl. Second position, ethyl group is present. C2H5, it's a ethyl group. Therefore, 2-ethyl cyclopentanol. Then, next examples. Structural formula. First, CH3OH. It's an IUPAC nomenclature system. IUPAC means International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. IUPAC name is a structural formula CH3OH. Methanol means one carbon atom is present. Methane. It is methane. CH4, it is a methane. In the IUPAC nomenclature of ethanol, E is replaced by OL. E is replaced by OL. Therefore, it is known as methanol. Means E is replaced by OL. Then CH3CH2OH, ethanol. 2 carbon atoms, it's ethane. CH3, it's the ethane, and this ethane, this hydroxyl means OL is replaced by E. Means E replaces OL, it's ethanol. Then propane 1 OL. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms means it's propane. Propane 1, first position hydroxyl group is present. Therefore, propane 1 OL. E is replaced by OL. Then next, 1, 2 and 3. Sorry, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 carbon atoms are present. It's a longest continuous chain. Means select longest continuous chain. In that first 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atoms are present. Second carbon atom, hydroxyl group is present. 4 carbon atom, it is known as butane. Means butane, E of butane is replaced by OL. Second means butane 2 OL. Why 2? Because second carbon atom, second position carbon atom, hydroxyl group is present. Then next, 2-methyl propane. 1, 2, 3. It's a longest chain. Propane. Then second position methyl group is present. Means 2-methyl propane. First position hydroxyl group is present. Propane 1 OL. Then next, 1, 2, 3. It's the longest continuous chain. Second position hydroxyl group is present and also methyl group is present. Therefore, 2-methyl propane 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon atoms. Therefore, it is known as propane. 2 second position hydroxyl group is present. Therefore, 2-methyl propane 2 OA. Then next, first and second. Ethane 1,2 diol. First and second position hydroxyl group is present. Therefore, it is known as 1,2 diol. Then next, propane 1,2,3 diol means 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3 hydroxyl group present. Therefore, propane 1,2,3 triol. Then next, 1, 2, 3 and 4 carbon atoms are present. Therefore, it's a butene. Carbon-carbon double bond. It is known as a butene. And first position hydroxyl group is present. Then second position double bond is present. Therefore, but 2-en means second position double bond. En 1 OL. First position OH group is present. Therefore, it is known as 1 OL. Then next point, common and IUPAC names of some phenols. Structural formula, common name and IUPAC nomenclature. First, it's a structural formula. It's a phenol means benzene ring. Hydroxyl group is attached to benzene ring. It is known as phenol. In IUPAC nomenclature, benzenol. And in the IUPAC nomenclature, it is also known as phenol. Means common name and IUPAC name both are the phenols. Then next, orthocresol. Orthocresol, 2-methyl phenol. It's a 2-methyl phenol means second position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Second position methyl group is present, 2-methyl phenol. Then next, para-nitrophenol. Para position nitro group is present. It's it's ipso position, it's ortho position, it's meta position and it's para position. Therefore, para position nitro group is present, para-nitrophenol or 4-nitrophenol. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-nitrophenol. Then next, catechol is benzene 1,2-diol. Like alcohol, benzene 1,2-diol. Then resorcinol, benzene 1,3-diol. It's a benzene ring and 1, 2 and 3. 1 and 3 position OH group is present. Therefore, benzene 1,3-diol. Then next, hydroquinone. Quinol and benzene 1,4-diol. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then chloroglucinol, benzene 1,3,5-triol. 1, 2, 3 means 1, 3 and 5. 1, 3, 5 triol. Then next, pyrogalol, benzene 1, 2, 3 triol. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3 triol. Next point is common and IUPAC names of some ethers. First, structural formula. Second, common name and IUPAC names. First, CH3OCH3, dimethyl ether, methoxymethane. Methoxymethane means it's also methyl group and it is also methyl groups. Dimethyl ether, it's a common name, and methoxymethane means methoxymethane. Then ethyl methyl ether, methyl ether, methoxyethane. Then methyl N-propyl ether, methyl N-propyl ether. Then 1-methoxypropane. First position methoxy group is present, therefore 1-methoxypropane. Then next, C6H5OCH3, methyl phenyl ether, means it is also known as anisole methoxybenzene.